नमस्कार, स्वागत सगळ्यांचे या 54th इफीन गोंयांत जावपी या धमालान इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल. आज पणजे अख्खी रंगल्या फिल्मान. देशाभरांतल्यान जगभरांतल्यान डेलिगेट्स मोगी फिल्म मोगी सगळे पाविल्ले आसा. आमी पळोवंक शकता की एका वाटेन जंय फिल्मां वेगवेगळी फिल्मां कॉम्पिटिशन ताजे ते ज्युरी सगळे थंय जाता, जाल्यार तशेंच थंयसर जंय आमी पिक्चरां पळोवंक पडचू शकतात, तशेंच ह्या बाजून आमी जर पळयशीत फिल्मां बद्दलचें ज्ञान आमकां मेळूं शकता. ज्ञान म्हळ्यार फिल्म सुरवात केन्ना जाली, कशी जाली, टॅक्नोलॉजी कितें आशिल्ली, कितें वापर करताले. चलात तर पळोवया. आम्ही पावल्यात NFDC ऑफ इंडिया, NFDC आणि NFAI म्हणजे नॅशनल फिल्म आर्काइव्स ऑफ इंडिया हांच्या दोन्ही जोड पालवांचे ओल्ड फिल्मां किंवा ओल्ड प्रकारचे आमी जे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट जे वापरताले, कितें प्रोजेक्टर वापरताले ते प्रिजर्व करपाची जी एक मोहीम जाका मिशन म्हणटा ती सुरवात केल्या थंयसर. तर जाणून घेवया हांगा कितें कितें चलता आणि कशें चलता.
तुम्ही आहात नॅशनल फिल्म आर्काइव्ह ऑफ इंडियाच्या पवेलियनमध्ये, जिथे आम्ही शोकेस करतोय. आम्ही दाखवायचा प्रयत्न करतोय की आम्ही प्रेझर्वेशन करतो, तर आम्ही कसलं प्रेझर्वेशन करतो. आणि आमचा एक मिशन आहे नॅशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन. व्हॉट वी आर डुईंग इन दॅट नॅशनल फिल्म हेरिटेज मिशन, वी आर ट्राइंग टू showcase that. So we have carried some of the samples of, like, in earlier era people used to watch the films on 35mm. So we have carried some samples. This is only a leader, but this is a 35mm. Then we have kept for experience purpose, so people can see how the 16mm used to look like. So this is a 16mm, this is a 16mm projector. If you guys are aware, Tent Cinema or Tambu Cinema, people used to carry these small projectors, portable projectors to small cities, and used to show films to people on the wide screen. तुम्ही वाळूवर बसून बघायचं. So and we also have, like, as an archive, with the films we also preserve posters. We have posters over there.
Original posters now.
These are not original posters. We do have original posters in our collection. So we have huge collection, obviously, but we cannot carry because some of them are fragile, some of them are not in good shape, and some of them are like only a copy available. So we cannot carry that over here. But if at all you are interested, the archive is in Pune. We do visit, please do visit, and we can show you around how we are preserving the filmic and non-filmic material. These are some of the samples which we are carrying. We also do a research fellowships. We provide a commissioned research project. Apart from that, the huge mission under Government of India we are doing is National Film Heritage Mission.
Just to interrupt you, I mean, as you said, reservation. So what all are the things? I mean, these are from which the earliest are which, like from which period?
We
like posters or instruments.
See, posters we have from silent era. Also, we have books available on silent era, was written by researchers. You can get access to that. We have hand painted posters with us, which are original hand painted. We do have glass slides, or we have one of the older slides on which, so when these kind of projectors were not there, we used to have the slide projectors. So we have those slides also available in our collection.
Those are original?
They're original slides.
Not fabricated?
No. Original slides. Obviously, there are some parts where, like, some part is missing or something because it's a wear and tear happens.
Correct.
So, yeah. And also in India is a temperate climate. So, we need to take a lot of precaution. And also we need to create a lot of awareness about, how, reaching out to producers, reaching out to people who might have the collection, like, celluloid or the posters or any sort of song booklets and all in their collection. But I would like to show you, there is some of the original song booklets.
Okay.
So in earlier era, when film used to get released outside as a publicity material, filmmakers used to provide these song booklets. Now I've carried only 2 over here, but we have lots in our collection. Original, they're originals, they're not photocopy.
Okay.
In that you will see the lyrics of a songs are printed in 3 languages, in 3 scripts: Urdu, the Devanagari, and the English script. They also give information about the synopsis of the film, the crew and cast of the film, and it also helps us getting the curatorial information if something, if the film doesn't exist. There are so many films doesn't exist, but the film exists in this format.
Okay.
At least the publicity material of that film exists, or photograph, or some of the other negative of the like small photo still exist in our
So
collection.
by any chance, like as these are songs, so do you all be having a like script of those?
Yeah, we
era?
do have scripts.
Is it?
We, not from those era, but we do have scripts in our collection. We used to get scripts from censor, like when the censor used to go and when the censorship used to happen, they used to submit the scripts. Those scripts comes to NFA.
Okay.
So we have the collection of those scripts also. Now these are some of the samples of posters which we have added, but we do have a lot of original posters in our
And now
collection.
when we say film, right? Film, then it counts as like all films, like every language, total.
As
I saw
as
one
the name
Punjabi.
itself says, National Film Archive of
Okay,
India, we
okay.
do have films from various languages. We have
And these are
Tulu.
basically only India. That's it.
No, we do have foreign languages films also.
Okay.
We have Eastern European collection, we have Russian, we have Japanese. But of course, when you say all, we do not have all. We have films which we try to, like the archive established in 1964. From 1964, from that time, people like the directors and the staff, with the help of their other, like with, like creating awareness, getting in touch with people, producers, directors, collectors, they try to get as many film and non-filmic material in our collection.
And then like, was there any criteria of selecting these films or like, koi bhi ho?
No criteria.
into-
Film is film.
Yeah, I mean no. What I mean
Yeah.
say like, that means that since then to now, there you can say millions of films, right?
Yeah. So what
what.
we do, even though it's a millions of films, even the film, there used to be a thing called one-day release films. Like they just ran for one day. But at least the people made that much efforts to show the film, and some of them did watch it. But what happens is, let's say, after 50 years or 60 years, even though the film ran only for one day and you want to see the film after 60 years.
Yeah, it's like
if
a
it's
library,
not-
archive.
It is a film library, sort of film library. There's a difference between archive and library, but yeah, we do have like a.
And then what if like someone wants to view them now?
So we have we give access to films in various ways. One is you can come to archive and we will show you, if you want to see the film and learn the material aspect of it, and you want to see the film on a celluloid, you have to just write an email to us. Second is we also provide film access copies through password protected Vimeo links to researchers. So a lot of researchers from India, from internationally, come for a research or get in touch with us for a research, and we provide films to them. Provided if the film is digitized in our collection. If the film is not digitized, we won't be able to give access.
That's what I read, that digitalization.
That's what
So-
it's National Film Heritage Mission. We will give you this film so you
So
can
this
read
is before
about.
and after.
Yeah, this is the
So the
restoration
original.
process.
That is original.
It's not. Original is a very complicated term in archival world, but before means the element which we have in our collection, which we have scanned.
Okay.
That's before. So as you can see, this is a poster of Konkani cinema from 1971. I don't know if I am pronouncing it correctly or not. Jivit Amche Ashe. Jivit Amche Ashe. Yeah, this I have an appeal to make to the producers and directors of Konkani cinema or distributors who might have a celluloid material in their collection in Goa. They can get in touch with National Film Archive of India, and we would be happy to preserve them.
And if in case someone has it, like, how do we do it? What will be the procedure?
So they can get in touch with us. There is an email ID called nfaifilmlibrary@gmail.com. They can write to us and we will help. We are preserving the material free of cost. So
And then they can always contact Prudent Media also. We can direct them.
yeah. Thank you so much.
जाल्यार आतां आमी जशें पळयलें थंयसर जंय रेस्टोरेशन जाता फिल्मांचे किंवा पोस्टर्स आनी बाकीच्यांचे तशें
shows how before earlier days we used to, now we go to cinema.
Correct.
Earlier days cinema used to come to
Come
us,
home, correct,
right, come
correct,
home, so
correct.
we used to have have shown them that how Gandhiji's life is going and how at the same
The-
time, yeah, this
that
flow.
corner.
Yes,
Okay,
this flow.
okay,
It's actually we have tried to build a small mini museum for our Goa audience so that you know all the IFFI
Thank you
people
so
who
much, thank
yes,
you so much.
so that they can come and take a feel of the entire
So you can
museum.
always appeal right away.
Yes, yes, of course, why not? So this is how it has been made. And to add to all this, how you said that NFAI, that's our sister company. So this is under the mission of National Film Heritage Mission. What we do that every Saturday, we show restored classic movies under the timeless.
So this is in Mumbai, you say?
Yes,
Same-
yes, everything in Mumbai only. Chronicles of Timeless Treasures, where NFEI gives us the movie and we screen the movie in a big auditorium. It's around 215 seating capacity, where people actually watch those classic movies,
Oh.
you know, in a restaurant. Restaurant in the sense a 4K resolution movie.
And then how is it like fees and all?
No, nothing. We don't charge anything. We just
Oh.
charge the museum ticket, which is
Okay.
75 rupees, and then you
And
can
then you
just
can get any-
yes, you get everything. Along along with this, you also get something called Panorama of Indian cinema, because you have seen we have this technology era.
Correct.
So there are a lot of mass media students who come in. So it's like a Bible for them.
Correct.
So we have started something called Panorama of Indian cinema, which again we do in the Saturday morning hours for the
Okay.
college students. Anyone 13 years plus participate, where we call an expert, where we ask them questions. They can ask, take a topic of cinematography, photography, and then explain different parts. So that's how it's an engagement activity, and we also give certificates, which will help them in their career.
And what is this happening here?
So what we are trying to, how I said we try to bring the museum here. So every day we are taking one topic, giving a workshop to people for free, and we are explaining them on topics different. So today it was book to movie, and yesterday we were in history of Indian cinema. So we keep on changing, and along with that we do run a small activity. Like
But
today they are
this
having.
happens there also? Mumbai?
Yes.
So
This
is a
happens.
replication?
Yes, it's a replication. We are trying to do a replication here, and we also do something for the kids. So it's for junior cinephiles. That is really interesting. I want to add this because we give a guided tour to anyone who comes to the museum. We have separate timings. So once we give them a guided tour, we actually ask them to draw whatever they have liked from the museum, and you won't believe they are so beautifully drawn. I mean, those kids. So we actually give them prizes, and we give a separate place where we place this posters
in the
as a
museum.
So next time when they come with their parents. It's like a proud factor for the parents and everyone. So
now
that
this
way.
is the original piece?
Yes, no, this is
This is a
yes,
bioscope.
it's a bioscope. This is almost the original piece. This is a magic lantern which you are seeing in the backside. So
This is?
magic lantern. So earlier days there was projection. Now
Huh.
this was something which was used. So if you could see, there's a bird being shown here and it's being reflected there.
Okay.
So it's like a mode of storytelling.
So this was like still?
Still, yeah. So people used to change the
Insert.
images
Okay.
and then they used to explain the story. So this is how it used to happen. So, by the way, my name is Jaita Ghosh. I am my name is Jaita Ghosh.
So
I'm
you
the-
look after this?
Yes, I'm the manager of this entire National Museum of Indian Cinema, and I have an entire team who runs this. So they have done a lot of hard work, and we are trying our best to give a glimpse of the museum, and we are expecting you all to come and visit
So what
our
do you have to say
museum.
about Goa and Goan stuff?
Goa is a beautiful place. I mean, they are very warm and welcoming people, and you can see how much enthusiastic they are. So I really wish if you could come to Mumbai and visit our museum. Thank you.
त्यांना आता सगळ्या गोंयकारांक उजरत एक इन्विटेशन आसा. जशें तुमी आतां इफ्फीक येतले, इफ्फी पिक्चरां पळोवंक येतले, मुवीज पळोवंक येतले, तशें हांगाय योग सेतू जो आसा थंय येवचें आनी फिल्मा बद्दलची हिस्ट्री जी आसा तेचें रेस्टोरेशन कशें जाता, केन्नाच्यान स्टार्ट जाली, सुरवात जाली, हें सगळें जाणून घेयात. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.